Hi, why is Stacey Claire's Fermenting Course amazing? Because you get a wealth of information from Stacey to create all of these products and more. Stacey makes the course so easy to follow. She provides really clear instructions and video tutorials on how to make everything. She's always available and happy to answer questions across her social medias, and there's such a great fermenting group on Facebook who are also really happy to help when you're troubleshooting something. It's been amazing for me. I've been able to introduce all of these different ferments into my family diet, and my really picky 8-year-old eater now is helping me make sauerkrauts and fermented carrots and kombuchas. So of course he's also wanting to try it all, which has been amazing. So, you know, I've got 3 boys. They're all brewing their own kombuchas. I've got passion fruit, I've got plain, I've got raspberry and mint. They're getting into the kitchen and they're doing these things. It's been amazing for our family. We've seen a really big hit of energy. I have seen less bloatedness because I'm introducing all of these different ferments into my diet. We found it amazing. Stacey's course has been fantastic. I'm actually on round 2 because she's always adding new content, and I love that because I can always learn something new to add to our family diet. This course has been amazing for us and for my children. And beyond saving the money, we have learnt so much. So I've learned how to remove those sugars during the fermenting process so that we don't feel so guilty in the house now having juice. It's been amazing. I've loved it, and I'm sure you will love it too. Give it a go and I'll see you in the course.